here, Robbie. Some more screws. That was on it too. What am I missing here? I don't remember how to open it.
So about 20 years ago.
Mm-hmm. Oh, where is it at? Crap. Do you see it?
Oh.
Oh, there's two of them.
Okay.
Give me some more batteries.
Yep, if you want to take this one, I'll grab you another one.
Actually, I think no, there's three. Still recording?
Yep.
I need the screwdriver. It disappeared on me again.
You found it?
Yeah. This computer ever built?
Well, it's still running, and I've had computers die for no reason.
Well, what's funny is we bought the Windows 98 to replace this, and the 98 was constantly getting fixed.
So this is Windows 95?
Yeah, and eventually we got rid of the 98, or replaced the 98 with another computer. I think Windows 7 or some crap.
Oh, that was my favorite.
That worked for a long time.
Ours still
And then
works.
it got harder to get it fixed when you needed it, and certain things weren't working anymore, so I finally had to get all that other crap. But one thing that's always continued to work is this. I'm going to take everything out, but I need to be able to reach this. Did I hit something?
No, the computer still looks the same.
I need... Where'd that thing I was using? I'll use something wood, but...
I love how modular these early computers are. Like Legos.
I just don't want to get knocked on my ass. New ones?
Here we go.
Where's the expiration date? Oh, expires in 2011.
Wow, that
Open your hand.
That lasted a long time.
Oh, those are good batteries. Well, I mean, they're past the expiration date.
I remember some batteries I found a few years ago that...
These were all full charge?
Yes.
Because it's not good to mix half and half batteries.
Those are all brand new. Some of the batteries I found expired years ago.
What is this other one here?
I grabbed you 4.
Oh, I gotta swap them, but they're all the same brand.
They are all the same brand.
They're different.
What do you mean they're different?
Series.
All right, then use them.
That's what I'm saying. I'm switching it so they're all the same series. Okay.
It must have just been one random one thrown in the open package.
Did you kill my computer?
It shut off by itself.
Why?
I don't know. At least the battery was in it when it shut off.
Did I hit the button?
I bet you did. Okay, it's making a new noise. And it's gone. Here it goes.
I think I shut it off.
Yeah.
Because the button's right on the thing. Love that sound.
Sounds normal. Copyright 1990. American Megatrends. Oh. 1985 to 1991. I just love the flickering of the screen. And this is why you needed a TV light back in the day to keep you from getting a migraine.
You ain't ready, you did.
The TVs are the same way.
Well, at least we got the batteries replaced.
You know, on your phone screen, it looks more vibrant than it does in real life.
What?
The Windows 95 startup, it looks brighter and cheerier than it does in real life.
Should go through my AOL emails and see what they say.
If only you could connect this thing to the internet.
No,
Yeah.
there's ones that are saved.
Probably says,
Like my Microsoft Paint drawings from the early 90s.
yes, those were beautiful.
It's like, wow, you did that? Yeah, right, I did. You got me already.
Yeah, I used to do that with the 07. That was my first computer. And we still didn't have internet when we had that computer. We just had a computer.
I just know Windows 98 sucked. That's one thing I certainly remember.
That's
I
what
liked 97, and then they stopped doing it, and they said, oh, this is better. It's like, no, it's not going to be better.
I said that about Windows 10 would be better. Worst upgrade I ever did.
That's how you kill a computer.
Yes, you're right. It did die after
I
that.
think they do that. They made that program to help so they could get rid of the old computers.
It was explained to me that each succession of Windows was a patch on top of problems. So Windows 10 was too many patches for some of the computers to handle.
I don't know, just a piece of shit. Ouch.
Windows has updated your clock as a result of daylight savings time. Please verify that your new clock settings are correct.
They did away with daylight savings time, though.
Don't worry, they'll bring it back like they did last time.
I don't know where the other two screws are. I have the Wolfenstein background.
No, it wants me to click OK. Oh, do you mean the bricks?
Yeah, the bricks.
Yeah, it has the bricks.
We used to have the tubing on the 98.
That's weird. OK doesn't work. Maybe I have to use Enter.
Do you remember the tubing, the colorful pipes?
Maybe it's still loading.
Yes, no?
Yes, I do remember that vaguely.
That's what we used for the 98 background.
Well, I can make the screen blue, but I can't do anything.
With the mouse.
I did.
Is it plugged in?
Yep, it moves.
Come on.
Maybe it's still in safe mode. Some features won't work in safe mode.
That was loose. Bum, 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 bum.
Wow. It even got the year right. September of 2022.
Damn right, it runs off a computer.
It says it's 6:52. I'm not actually sure what time it is. I don't have the clock running. 8:05. Your time's off.
I need to get out of this. Ooh, Treasure Mountain.
I love the precariously balanced tower.
Tower?
Actually, it's not considered a tower yet, is it?
What are you talking about?
The hard drive CPU unit. It's sitting a quarter of the way off the edge.
Come on, baby. Oh. Why do I have to keep doing that?
It's probably in safe mode.
I just want to make sure that if the games are saved and everything, and know if then they erase stuff.
Goodbye, Galaxy.
No, what am I doing here? I can't see anything.
Can you find the escape key?
Yeah, it's a funny escape key. Thanks, Robbie.
That's what it said. Hit escape for no.
I don't want escape.
It said hit escape for no.
I can't see what I'm doing here. I can't work with my hand this way. It's really weird.
Well, we can push the computer back some. Would that help? Impressive.
Load game. Maybe that's what it was. Yep, here we are.
Dane and Jacob.
Pause. Why is there no sound?
Where's your volume button? Is it on the monitor? That's brightness. Is it still the ball style?
Yeah, it's a roller. I don't think the sound's plugged in or something. Or maybe I need to go. God, it's so hard to remember how to do this. Configure sound.
Maybe PC speaker? No, you don't want to.
Press Y to quit. Really quit. Back out. No. We're in a game. Okay, yeah, I know.
It says press Y to load. I think it was on that screen. The sound must be disconnected somehow.
Maybe the sound doesn't work on this part.
Oh, it does say move silently.
I don't want to move it silently.
Well, do whatever you.
No, whatever. I don't feel like that now. End game. I keep forgetting I gotta hit Y for yes. And I'm used to hitting left click, not right click. This is really...
So are any of these games uploaded for a modern computer?
Yeah.
As I know they got rid of Flash. They got rid of,
I don't think Flash is on here.
Yeah, but that's what they would have uploaded them to first. But then they got rid of Flash. And my computer was telling me to get rid of it off the computer, even though that would mean I couldn't play any of the old games.
I'm trying to shut the thing off. Start menu. Close. How do I shut it off?
I would go to start. I don't know, I'm used to 07.
God damn this right click shit. Find. Open.
That's for file searching, it looks like.
I know, I don't want this. I want to go. It's really painful sitting like this. I need to get out.
Oh, volume controls.
I know. I need to get off my leg. Ouch. Oh, stupid right click shit. Oh, I gotta hold it down.
Okay, that makes sense.
Shut down the computer, restore the computer.
You want to shut down so we can move it to its final resting place.
I forgot you gotta hold it in. It's been a while since we had this on, so... Oh, my knees.